Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are going to do a one brand tutorial featuring Makeup Revolution. These are going to be some of the products that I've been loving from this brand. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. I prime my lids. So for eyeshadow palette, the one that I've been loving, this new Makeup Revolution palettes now, but I don't really like the colors. I don't really like it. So I'm just gonna go to my favorite one, and it's the Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette. It has warm tones and it has cranberry shades and a little bit of sparkle. This one has been my favorite there was another one that I featured too, but that one discontinued, but this is still in the market. So I just really love the colors, neutral colors, and it's great for like everyday stuff. So I just really love it. So this has been my favorite for like a year and a half already, and I just really love it. So I'm gonna take my blending brush, and for the crease I am going to take this. And these shadows are super pigmented for just $7. Yeah. Next, for the outer corner to my crease, I'm taking this orange shade right here, because the one I took, if I took like a pink color, it's gonna look too similar and I don't want that. So I'm taking this burnt orange shade right here. It's gonna go to the outer corner to my crease. I'm taking this sparkly shade right here. Let me swatch it for you guys. And it's like this. See, this like a shimmering color. I like it because I was gonna go with this, but then it's gonna get too close as like the same color as I used before. So I'm taking my Real Techniques brush, and which one I said? This one. So I am taking this one and then apply right here. Let me spray the brush. is such a pretty shade and I love it. But I'm definitely gonna get more Makeup Revolution palettes because right now I'm tired of neutral shades. It's time to go bright and colorful. I don't have an eyeliner, but I do have a mascara. It is the Waterproof Resolution, and it's in the shade black. Please ignore that in the background. This is New York. So this is the Waterproof Resolution. And this is how it looks like. It's like a fat mascara. And this is the wand. It has like a fluffy wand to it. It's so pretty. So it's waterproof. Now that it's April and it's raining every day for the entire month, we need a waterproof mascara. This is so fluffy, the wand. I'm trying to control myself. It's so fluffy. I prime my face off camera, so for foundation, I just really love the Conceal and Divine, the full coverage foundation. Conceal and Divine, the classic one. I know they came out with a new one, but the original one, I just really love the Conceal and Divine full coverage foundation, and mine is in the shade F10. Concealer, I'm using the Conceal and Divine in the shade C4. So these two are my favorite. The original one, I haven't tried the new one, the Hydrate one. But this one is my favorite from Makeup Revolution. So I don't have a setting powder. As you can see, the concealer definitely like brighten up my eyes or whatnot. Let me just blend it a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going back to this eyeshadow palette, the Neutrals 2 Reloaded, and let's do the waterline. So I'm gonna use the brush and I'm gonna use the same colors I used before, which is this one. And then I'm using the orange. And then the sparkly shade I use. Taking mascara. I don't have a bronzer, so I did it off camera. But I do have a highlighter, and it is the Reloaded shade Raise the Bar. It's called Raise the Bar, the Reloaded highlighter. And this is it. I'm gonna open it right now. And this is so beautiful, right? I heard Baker you gotta spray it a little to get the actual color. So let's see. It's showing up very lightly. Okay, I see something. Do you see the shimmer right here? So shimmery, so love it. So I think I'm gonna like spray the thing more. So let's see. See, look, so beautiful, the highlighter. For the lips, I have the matte liquid lipstick in the shade Dollhouse. So I'm gonna swatch it. And this is it. So pretty, right? I like a mauve pink. So if you guys haven't seen my mauve pink liquid lipstick collection, please click the card right here or right here. It smells very fruity. What is with makeup products and skincare products? They put in a lot of fruity scents in their products. I don't mind it, but there's a lot of fruity scents and everything now. And this is like a mauve pink color, but like a dark mauve pink color. It's not the light one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one brand makeup revolution makeup tutorial. Again, these are the products that I really love and have tried for the past 2 years already. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.